Welcome to the Iconics Genesis 64 video guide. This video discusses how to configure and use the GridWorX64 Viewer. It covers how to display as well as manipulate data in both grids and process points.
Let's have a look at the GridWorX64 Viewer. For this, open a new display. Go over to Controls and select the GridWorX Viewer control. Go to your display and click somewhere to place a GridWorX controller. Once inserted, you can either double-click on the control or click on the Configure Viewer button on the upper left side. In the configuration, click on the grid. Click on the plus sign to add a new subscription. We'll call it a dataset subscription. This is the connection to the GridWorX64 server. Let's give the subscription a name. In our example, it will be the Northwind database. And the data tag is the actual connection to the GridWorX server. So you select databases and SQL Server, Northwind, data sources. As we created a filter for this data source, we need to put the filter ID here so we can get some values. So you can put a 1, 2, 3 or other numbers for the ID in this case. Click OK. We'll retrieve the fields and just click Close. You can go into runtime and the grid will be populated with the data out of your database. In case you want to do a client-side filtering, you can do that by selecting the grid, go to the configuration, on the grid part, go to behavior, and here you can create a new filter. Let's create a new filter that returns prices below 10. And you select the kind, and you can give here your mathematical string. Once defined the filter, click on OK. Close. You can go to runtime, and you will see how this filter is working. You can also use a process point for changing data in the database. So for example, take a data entry tag, put it in your display, connect it to the products of your database sources, and you can select the ID be number 1. And remember, it is a two-dimensional matrix, so first will be the column. The unit price is the fourth column of the first row. That is a 0. Click on OK, and then you can go into runtime and see that it will retrieve the data. You can change the value here, and whenever you refresh the grid, it will read that value again.